Okay, thought I'd do a short little video on my 66 Dodge. I've had this for a few years. Finally gonna start fixing it up. It's a D200. It's a camper special, so it's a 3/4 ton. Of course, from a distance, it looks pretty decent truck, but I'll show you some of the issues it has. Has 80,000 miles on it. Its interior's it's all pretty good. It's always sat inside. My brother had bought this quite a few years ago from a farm sale from a gentleman that passed away, and majority of its life it was sitting in a shed. One of the projects is I gotta wire brush the floor here, and I'm gonna put some of that spray and bed liner in here. Unsure if I'm gonna go black or red. Haven't really decided yet. Another issue is the end gate. It's a big old dent here. I think I'm gonna have to cut out here and weld in a chunk to fix that. Rear bumper needs to be replaced. This had a pickup box camper in there. These bumpers actually slide outward, so you had a step to get into the camper. The campers that overhang here, so that's why it's sort of funny looking. Rims and tires, yeah, down the road. And this one I think I'm just gonna eventually maybe just clear coat it, but front end grill, everything's pretty good on it. And there's here's a major issue. The rear quarter panel, someone must have hit the bumper here, backed in, and that's what pushed this out. So I'm gonna have to try to fix that, and I don't think it really got into here too bad, so it should be hopefully able to bend it back, do a little body work, and blend in the paint. And on this side, I don't know if you can see, the rear rocker panel's starting to rust out, so I'm gonna have to replace that eventually. That seat had been reupholstered, so that was along the door and everything. It's still pretty good. Another issue is to protect this grill. I'm going to build a front bumper for it. I bought a parts one off a military truck, and actually I'll just show you quick. Hang on. Okay, here's the bumper brush guard. Got that off Facebook Marketplace, or it might have been Craigslist. It was like $150. Bumper part I'm not going to use. I'm thinking about getting maybe a 2x6 or 8 inch tubing or square tubing to build a bumper out of, and then either cut these or re-weld up some new brackets to mount this on. Main concern of my truck is that we have a lot of deer around here, and I do not want to destroy that grill on there. So that's going to be, of course, a future project. And the rear bumper too, I got an old Chevy bumper. I can probably show you that too. Hang on. Okay, here's the rear bumper I might mount on there. It came off a square body Chevy, but it's a good solid bumper. I just need to sandblast it and put that on there. I also have a rear class 3 hitch I'm going to mount on there. But so there's another project, and here I'll get back to the truck here. Oh gosh, this truck, it's all original. If I can figure out how to get the door. It's original motor, original transmission. All I've done, I've put new shocks in it. Had the carburetor rebuilt a couple years ago, but that's leaking again. It's electronic points, exhaust has been replaced. Just maintenance stuff. I don't know if I mentioned fuel pump too, but I've replaced this hose too. I couldn't find the right hose, and then this water neck is all pitted, so I'll probably have to replace that because it wants to drip every once in a while. Here, I can start it up, I'll show you. Being from 1966, still a pretty good sounding motor. But the only problem is it burns oil. About every 150 miles I gotta put a quart of oil, and I did put a new intake manifold gasket that was leaking from the front and back, but it's leaking a little bit underneath the rear main seal, but it's mostly just burning oil. So that's something I'm gonna probably just pull the engine and have it rebuilt. I know it's tempting to put in a modern Hemi or something like that, but I'd like to keep this as original as possible. So this is my 66 project truck, and I'll be doing quite a few future videos on this to start give everyone's a heads up. And if you like these type videos, please click the like button, or if you have any comments or any suggestions on what I should do with this, or please leave your comments, and please subscribe, and see you in the future. Thanks.